Good afternoon, Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, distinguished guests, faculty, and students. On behalf of French Embassy at Campus France, I extend my gratitude for a warm welcome and thank Global University for giving us an opportunity to share our objectives with you. I am Nikki. I represent Campus France, which is a French government agency for the promotion of higher studies in France. We work closely with the student mobility, which happens at 3 levels. My question direct comes to the students. Have you heard about Campus France before? Campus France कभी आपने सुना पहले? When we say France, what comes in your mind? It's been designed by Le Corbusier, which is a French architect. When we talk about technology, what comes? It's the Europe, which is the hub of technology, and France and Germany are the two leaders. When we talk about hospitality, cuisine, we say? It's all French. The gastronomy comes from France, and Paris is the most visited place. So this is how we can relate to France. And when we represent Campus France, we work closely with the students. We assist the students in taking their future projects to France, which can be at bachelor's, master's, doctoral, and postdoctoral levels. We work closely with the Indian institutes, wherein we help the institutes, the Indo and the French institutes come together and collaborate at various cooperation agreements. This will definitely going to benefit the student community. They can go and opt for a semester exchange, which can be a 5 to 6 months experience, international experience during their course of studies in India. Also, there is a special advantage to the students who are opting for their higher studies in France. When they choose to be in a university, the cost of education is almost nil. They study free, as we say when we talk about Germany. The study of any course, whether at bachelor's level or master's level, it is at free of cost, mostly taught in French, but that doesn't mean this is just a clip, it's something beyond to that. When we are opting for any of the courses, we can go to a Grand École where the medium of language is totally in English. Programs are available in all the streams, starting from engineering, pure sciences, then business management, fashion, fine arts, hotel management, and then fashion. When we say internship, there is also something, we talk about the class size. The class size is very small, wherein the teacher-student ratio is equally managed. And this gives the students also more opportunity to explore the internships as well as the research projects after their course. Apart from the scholarships which the French embassy or the French government gives, there are more to it. There are corporates like Michelin, Renault, L'Oreal, and other corporates who sponsor every year Indian students for pursuing their masters in France. So there is another advantage for the Indian students. If they want to take up their masters, they can be fully sponsored in the corporate world also. The embassy, which is given to the institutes. Then also, when this institute is going to send their students on an exchange program, there will be full scholarship worked out for a student representing an Indian institute. These are the benefits which will be given to the institutes when they collaborate with the French institutes. Yes, this is, and yes, you come up with the question. Yes, the benefits can be worked out at 2 levels. Anything else you want to add? Okay, so when the students will be going to France and experience 4 to 5 months a semester exchange, this will give them an international exposure. And also, apart from this, there will be, the students can apply to the exchange scholarship, which is through the French embassy, where their living expenses during their stay in France for 5 months will be worked out. Not just the academics, I'm not just saying that the academic profile doesn't matter, but yes, academic profile is one thing, but beyond this, there is the student motivation and the project he's going to take up in France. This is, we are talking about free mobility. When you want to complete, do your master's after the completion of your bachelor's. And when we are saying exchange through global university, your university will decide on your selection of the candidature. Look forward working with this global university in future. Yes, ma'am.
Also one more program that's during degree program.
Yes.
That's also available.
Yes, when we are saying the two institutes come into collaboration, it is their 100% independent decision which kind of program they want to collaborate, whether a dual degree, a training program, exchange semester, internship semester. This entirely is on the sole discretion between two institutes. It's from both the universities. Yes, and from both the universities. So I can see the enthusiasm in the students. Thank you.